Welcome to KashFlow. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage expenses. To manage expenses, all you need to do is to go to the bank module on the left hand side of the screen. Once you go in a bank, you will see by default that you have your current account listed in here. All we need to do is set up an expense account. So all we do is on the right hand side of the screen, just click Add New Account. Once we add a new account, we just need to call that a name. So I'm just going to call this my expense account. It automatically creates the next code for you. You can choose an icon if you need one or not. I'm just going to choose a little piggy bank in there, whether or not there's a starting balance in there, and then once you've done that, just hit save on the top right hand side of the screen and you'll see your expense account has now been created. You will now be able to see that within the bank area, and also from the front dashboard. When you log into the system, you will see the expense account and the current account are now listed, and you'll be able to see the balance of both accounts. To start recording expenses, we can actually drill into the expense account from the dashboard. So I'm just click into the account. We can see that I have no expenses currently listed, and all I need to do to record them is at the top of the page just to add the transactions in. So all we do is we go and choose a date, and then we go and choose what the expense is. So if we just say it is a hotel, and I can say comment hotel in London, and then we can say how much that was. We can put in the VAT rate that's applicable as well, so that's 20%, which calculates the VAT, and then I just hit the plus sign on the right hand side of the screen, and that expense transaction has now been recorded. We can then see that the expense account has a balance of minus £100. All we do then is just repeat that process. So again, we just choose another date in here, and we can say subsistence in here. So comment evening meal, how much that was, and again, if VAT is applicable, just hit the plus sign, and that will add that in as another expense. And all we would do is just go and repeat that process for any expenses that we've incurred within the business. So let's add in there travel and value and VAT and plus. And as we can see, this is just going to give us a running total of all the expenses that we've incurred within the business. So now when we go to the bank module on the left hand side, we can see my expense account has a balance of £215.99 minus, so that's exactly what's owed to me. And we can see that from the dashboard as well when we log in on the left hand side. This is going to show us that we have a current account balance of £2,000 and we have an expense account of minus £215.99, which will then give us the total money within the business there. So basically, to clear off the expense account, so I'm owed £215.99, all I need to do is just go back into the bank module on the left hand side, and we can see that we've got the option to transfer money at the top of the screen. So if I hit transfer, I can say that I need to transfer the balance of £215.99 from my current account to my expense account, and then we can just put a type in here, clear off expenses, transfer, and we can now say that account is being created. So if I go and click on view and add the transactions within my expense account, we can see the 3 expenses we added in, and also we can see the transfer which cleared off the expenses, which is our money coming in. And again, if we go and have a look at the current account, that will also record the transaction that's gone out to our expense account for £215.99. And that's how easy it is to set up an expense account and manage your expenses using KashFlow.